Now let's see how the routine operations of a particular education institution is being handled in our particular software. So at first we have an application details over here. That is, there is option to fill a particular application form. This application form is being integrated with the schools or else, the college's website, and then there is a option for the parents or the guardians to fill this particular application form, and then there is option for submit it online. Here in this particular application form we are capturing the details like the address details, the parent details, the guardian details, and also the other details of a particular student. Once this particular application form is being submitted, we'll have particular application list over here. The system may require to sign out at this stage because it's an external form that we have integrated. So what we have over here is like we have the details of all the applications that we have received from a particular student will be available over here. There is option to view a particular application or else to accept or reject a particular application is also available. And then once the application is being confirmed or else accepted, there is another option to confirm this particular application. It is in this particular stage that a new application number, at first there is an inquiry number that is being generated. Here there are options to send a particular offer letter, or else there is an option to print this particular application form is also being available. And also after this, once an offer letter is being sent through, there is option to create or schedule a particular examination is also being available via this particular interface. So if an examination is need to be scheduled, there is option to schedule a particular exam over here. That is by clicking this particular link that you can actually schedule a particular examination, or else there is another option, that is whether if you are just creating a meeting with the parent, there is option to create the same over here. And then once the schedule details has been inputted, you can just create the schedule option over here, and then you can schedule the particular exam or else the meeting with the parents. And then we can, once the application once the examination has been scheduled, there is option to view the status of a particular application, that is whether the student or the application has been confirmed, whether it has been qualified, rejected, or else whether they have been selected. All the options will be available over here. So this is a quick overview of what's the status of a particular application is. And then after this particular stage, there is option to upload student documents. If we are selecting a particular student, and then we need to upload any document, that is something like TC or migration certificate, all these details are being available over here to create the same. And also we have option to confirm this particular application admission over here, that is by clicking on this particular admission confirmation letter, you can just send a confirmation letter. That option is also available. And apart from this, there are options to create examination marks, and also to enroll a particular students, or else whether you need to take an admission fee from the particular student. All these options are being available via this particular module. Once all the details, that is the student document details and also the admission fee has been collected, there is option to enroll a particular student in this particular interface. And also there is an admission confirmation letter that is being sent through mail, or else you can also submit this particular you can just select this particular reference number to view the status of that particular, or else to print that particular application form. For this particular application, we have few masters that need to be set before doing all this. These are just routine masters, where which you are just creating a prefix, and also you are creating an examination master for the same.